Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. The dance hall king, Beenie Man, the girl them sugar, has been warned to cease and desist from traveling because his leg might be amputated. Greetings, and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV. If you have not subscribed as yet, hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you turn that notification bell on. Dancehall King, the king of dancehall, Beenie Man, Jamaica's own, has been warned that if he does not stop from traveling, he might lose his leg through amputation. The dancehall veteran, Beenie Man, was warned because he has been busy traveling, and if he continues to perform internationally, he might have to lose his leg. By this, his DJ had to cancel his performance with Grenada after learning his injury to his foot might cause him to have it amputated if he does not allow it to heal. In November, Beenie Man was reportedly to have been injured after a taxi crashed into his foot on his motorcycle. The 50-year-old reportedly stopped to speak with some people, and the taxi came around the corner and collided with his bike. Beenie Man later assured his fans that he was doing fine and continued scheduled performance, but had not seen the cause of his injury. Now, recently he have been seen on crutches, ladies and gentlemen. On Saturday, a man shared his current health. Yes, Beenie Man I'm talking about. Status with his friend posting a video of himself with an orthopedic surgery on Instagram. In the video, the physician disclosed that the artist's injury to his right ankle need more time to heal, and that Beenie Man may have to have his foot amputated if he does not stop and get the necessary rest. The surgeon recommended that Beenie Man stay at home and keep his foot elevated, and discuss that this DJ, if the DJ continue to travel, especially on aircraft, he might lose his legs to amputation. Now, the king of dancehall, the artist, said after the accident he had taken the injury as a joke and continued to travel, but much to his chagrin, right now, it is hurting more and he should have taken more time to recuperate. Beenie Man further expressed his regrets in a video caption written, "I met in a minor accident about a month ago, and since then I've constantly been working, ignoring the small cut, thinking it will heal. And it got worse. I was wrong. As such, all the show I am currently booked for, I won't be able to attend. People, you don't know how me thing go. Me no miss sure. Me show up for my fans, them. But me can't afford to lose my foot," the artist said. Now, me have the video right now. And, you know, me appreciate loves the finally the artist I realize him need to take care of himself. But right now, me not tell no lie. Artists will retire. You're 50-year-old, brother. A whole heap of other artists out there can go perform. You're for retire. Here is the doctor explaining to Beenie Man fans why he cannot make it to
So I'm Dr.
the Grenadians.
Mr. Moses' doctor. I'm his orthopedic surgeon. He has an injury to the right ankle, and it is recommended that he stays at home, elevate the foot, because if not, the potential of him losing the foot, possibly an amputation, is very high. So I recommend that he does not travel, not any long distances, and worse, by aircraft. So I would recommend that he does not show up for his
Grenada show.
For the Grenada show.
Yeah.
Thank you for understanding.
Blessings. Thank you very much. And people, it's no joke. I got a sprain and a cut, and I took it for joke. And you know, I went to England and I went to Israel, and I made it worse. So in order for my foot to get better, I have to rest. So.
And so he can come out another day.
Yes.
And play.
Big apology to all my fans and well-wishers, to all the promoters. This is circumstances beyond my control. I don't want to lose a foot, I'd rather keep it. So, thank you, Doc.
Yeah.
And thank you for understanding. Blessings.
Well, I don't know if for me or what, but Beenie Man look like him drop the weight fine. Or him a lost too much weight right now. I don't know what Carmela dealing. Feedback up the man, cause the man look skinny for real, cause a long time Beenie Man guy anyway, you know. But again, people, I'm just reporting here live. Unfortunately, the girl them sugar seem to have some foot pain. You guarantee. Couple months ago, I'm getting a little bike accident like a taxi man running 9 foot, and him ignore it. So it seems like it's getting bad to worse. So the doctor said, you better slow it down, stop traveling, or his foot might need amputating. Me never hear that in my life before. But yo, Beenie Man, you're 50 years old. You feel cold off it right now. I understand if you was going to America or England, but you want to go to Grenada, in them your Christmas time, mind you go over there and your foot rotten off. More life, more joy, more happiness. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know if a time for Beenie Man for retire. You are gonna take more fire, speak the truth. I don't want no liar. Hit that red subscribe button and more life and more joy and more happiness. You are gonna take. It's Rastafari Soldier, red, green, and golder. That means I'm bolder.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people, I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rasta man and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari Soldier, real fire king. Yeah, balalang man, akawan yeah.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the year every time.
Tune in to Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jacob said that.